Hi, let me show you how to adjust ringtone volume on iPhone. And firstly, of course, go ahead and open Settings. Then scroll a bit down to find Sounds and Haptics section. And right now, to adjust ringtone's volume, you need to take a look right here and drag this slider right to increase volume or left to decrease. And yep, another way how you can change it is with the help of buttons, and for that activate it by toggle on the switch. Now, if you press volume up button, you will increase ringtone volume, and by pressing volume down, you will decrease ringtone's volume. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.